accommodation, and nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. The more than 1,000 of reviews of this hotel, you can go to agoda.com. Its review rating is 8.7, which is the excellent category, but you can see on the few like price, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Category 3. Category 4. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Category 8. Category 9. Category 10. Next, we discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, this property can type of room is available on agoda.com. The location of the hotel is fine. Guests really enjoy the beautiful surroundings. The ground of this hotel is 3 and checkout time of this resort is 12 p.m. Sun offers a limited online for this hotel along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. For booking a bit more details about this property, please check description. If you have visited this hotel, you can send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video.